Okay, so I think I have figured out how to solve our inserting Zoom links into our teachers' pages. So go to assignments, click on add assignment. Then I just named mine Zoom with Mrs. Casey. In here, I put my link to my Zoom page, and then I edit the link options and change the text. Change the text to say, click here to Zoom with Mrs. Casey at 8:30 a.m. Okay. So then that's done. I'm going to make it a little bigger. Okay. So then don't give it any points. I went ahead and just did it as complete, incomplete. I don't think you're actually going to end up, but it might be a way for us to keep track of if they showed up or not. So I changed it to complete or incomplete. You have to choose a selection. So I just chose website for submission type. I did unlimited attempts because I think they're going to do it multiple times. And then on assign to, X that out. And you're just not going to worry about that right now, okay? Because you're going to have to change it when you go into your teacher's course. So if it says everyone, that's fine. I don't think it's going to let me do anything. I made the due date like June 4th because I want it to be available from Monday until June 4th, okay? And then you click add. Okay, it's gonna make me assign it to everybody, so I'm just gonna assign it to everybody, add. I don't know what's happening here. Hold on. Okay, save. Okay. Oh, I have to assign to somebody. Okay. All right. So now I have my assignment. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to assignments. And here's all the different assignments that I have. All right. So on Zoom with Mrs. Casey, I'm going to click on my dots. And I'm going to say copy to. And in this case, I'm going to search for Burdett's name because I want to assign it to Jocelyn. Okay, so I'm going to click on Math, Mrs. Burdett. I'm going to select the module, which is next week. Then it's going to ask me where I want to put it. So I don't want to put it at the top. I'm going to say before because I want to be able to see what all is in her module. Now, I already put it in, but I'm going to put this other one in. But I want to be able to see what all she has in there. So like she just has this practice base 10. So I'm going to put it after her introduction slide, but before her practice. I'm going to say copy. It says copy operation started successfully. So then I go to Jackie's page. Okay, there's her math page. If I go to her modules, that link for Jocelyn is there. Now there's two because I had already experimented with it and done one. But this is what's really important. You have to go in there and edit it. And you have to assign to, this is where you assign to Jocelyn. Okay, but everything else saves. You just have to remember to go into your teacher's page and assign it to your particular student. And then you just hit save. Now, Jackie said that she has to go in then, and when she publishes it, we think that everything within that module will publish. So we're going to be playing with it next week, but I think this solves our solution. And you could also, within the text box of this assignment, include a schedule or any other information that you want to include for your kids, or supplemental aids or anything like that. But that's how you insert an assignment you create on your page into a teacher's classroom module. And also, I already experimented a little bit with, like, I just created this one Zoom with Mrs. Casey file, and then I just went in, like, for example, to her reading time and edited the writing for the text for the link and just changed the time. And I checked, and it didn't change the time on any other assignment. So I think you can just go in and edit the text if you want, once you've copied it to the other class. So hope that helps. That's what I've got so far.